Hello and welcome to Falten mit Yvonne. Today I will show you how to fold a heart out of paper strips. You will need 4 paper strips and scissors. I'll use paper strips of this size. I'll use 4 colors so you can follow me better. Put your stripes together in the middle. Take your scissors. Cut off the tips so that a triangle is created. Take your first strip. The tip must point upwards. The tip of the second strip must point down. The tip of your third strip point to the left. This strip includes the first and run to the second strip. The tip of the last strip points to the right. This strip includes the second and runs to the first strip. Now pull all the strips together until they meet in the middle. Now put both lower strips up. Put the top left strip to the right. Lay the upper right strip down. Now lead both right strips to the left. The tips lead you to the square. Turn it to you. Turn it around. Put the strip up. Again, you lead the top to the square. Repeat the same with this strip. cut those strips away. Shorten the strip. And also this one. Now put this strip into this square. Put it in until you like the curve of your heart. Put the second strip into the square. Again until you like the curve. Cut the overhanging paper away. Now you have made a heart out of paper strips. Please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment if you like to see more tutorials like this. Thank you.